Okay, so we created Buddy. He gets the default values. And we'll call buddy.battlecry like that. And let's see what we get. Errors. Forbids declaration of battlecry with no type. Very true, very true. Can't have a function without a return type. So, this doesn't need to return anything, so it's just void battlecry. Okay, expected a semicolon after the end of your class. Thank you, compiler. Classes should have semicolons at the end of their definition. One more, line 24. String given name is equal to grok, int given damage is equal to is equal to 2. Doesn't need quotes around it because 2 is not a string. Okay, so here's our constructor being called. A new orc has been created. That's called right here on this line, because when I create a new one, the constructor is called. And then this is the battle cry. My name is Grok. You killed my father. Prepare to die. Stabs with 2 damage. Okay, so let's create another orc. Dude. And we'll say that his name is Dude, comma, and we'll give it a damage of 45. This guy's the real deal. Dude.battlecry and run. There you go. My name is Dude. You killed my father. Prepare to die. Stabs with 45 damage. Let's create one more. Orc. Inigo Montoya. It's got to be in quotes or it's not a string. Comma 9001. There you go. Inigo.battlecry. My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Hi.
There you go. Okay, so let's talk about aggregation, which is having an orc inside an army. Or a horde. Yeah, that makes more sense. Class horde. And we'll have private... I guess we'll just have a private vector of orcs, right? So here's a vector of the holds orc objects, and we'll call this orcs. Very original. Public horde. I don't know. What do I need my horde to do? Needed to create a copy of vector of orcs named given vector. And I need to say that, let's do im_orcs. im_orcs is equal to given vec. There you go, and we'll have void add. And it'll take a orc named given orc. And we'll say that orcs.pushback given orc. Nothing crazy. So, this is a member function. This is a constructor. This is a data member. Again, notice that I'm using orc, which is a class up here that I had created. So classes within classes, that's what aggregation is all about. So let's go ahead and create our horde, presuming that I don't have any errors already. Orcs was not declared. So m_orcs run. There we go. Stop. So we'll say horde. Scourge. And we'll say scourge dot add. We'll add dude. Scourge dot add Inigo. And I think I'm gonna have an issue because I didn't give a default parameter to my horde. Given vec vector orc. Let's look at the book, shall we? Zoom all the way to chapter 9. Data members in the heap just before this. Class critter, class farm, farm int spaces equals 1. So I'm just reserving spaces. I don't even really do anything. Let's do that. Let's just reserve spaces. That sounds easy. Int spaces equals 1. And we'll say that imorcs dot reserve and spaces. There we go. Defaults to 1, right? So, defaults to 1, so I don't even have to type anything. I can just hit run, and of course it doesn't do anything because I don't display. So here's Battlecry, here's my horde, void add. Let's also do void roll call. And we'll say for int I equals 0, I is less than m_orcs dot size, I plus plus, c out m_orcs of I. Okay, there's an error somewhere. No match for operator. Oh, right. Haha. So this outputs an orc. And an orc can't do anything by itself. I would need to have m_orcs dot battlecry. Since I don't have anything like hello. So for every orc in my vector of orcs, call battlecry. Let's see if that works. I'm close. 47. I guess I don't need to call C out since it won't be a string, will it? I just need to call battlecry. There we go. And finally I need to call my roll call or my attack. Okay, so I'll just call attack. Scourge. See out. Calling. Scourge dot attack. This got kind of crazy, didn't it? calling Scourge.attack. My name is Dude, you killed my father. My name is Inigo Montoya, you killed my father, prepare to die. Okay. So, there's Scourge attack. It calls everybody in there. And that's what's up. Suppose I could add a few more. Scourge.add orc Bartholomew. I don't think I spelled that right. 14. Scourge.add orc.thud. It's a good name for an orc, I think. And let's go ahead and make sure I've got enough spaces. I think I was missing a few here. My name is Dude. My name is Inigo. My name is Bartholomew. My name is Thud. Okay. So, that's aggregation. And that is all I have for you. Have a good holiday, and I'll see you next week.